Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. Short update of course for Bitcoin, for what happened and what it might happen in the next few hours. And as we saw of course today, a little bit higher prices. We saw it a little bit impulsive after we reach a bottom or a low, probably for wave 4 here in the yellow scenario, and a finished ABC as well of course for probably here as expanding flat. And yeah, we are possibly looking for higher prices. However, of course, we still need some evidence that we are impulsive toward the upside. And that means, of course, we would like to have a wave 2 and then a continuation toward the upside, breaking this level as a confirmation for bullish scenario. Now, of course, moving for higher prices would be, yeah, definitely here until, of course, we reach the invalidation of any bearish scenario, meaning our last bearish scenario still might be, of course, a double 1-2, 1-2, and then 1-2 here. And at this area, of course, this is the 886 for a 1-2 here. And touching the 886, of course, reduce the possibility so far, of course, for another 1-2 and then continuation toward the downside, meaning reaching the over, of course, 115, maybe 120, of course, K on the daily chart that we saw these targets might be, of course, in a peace of mind moving toward the upside, of course, for bullish scenario. Now, in your bearish scenario, as you can see, I have the time here for a wave 2 still, which is preferably, of course, hitting the 0.618 taken from the 1 here. In case we are having a wave 2, guys, these, of course, are the perfect fib levels. Now, the time has passed a little bit far. As we said today, we're gonna range a little bit in this area, but possibly that we might, of course, see one more high and then start, of course, another wave 2. So by all means, this might transform into 1, 2, 3. This is your wave 4 here, still ranging, and then wave 5, and then, of course, looking for a wave 2. So very, very possible. Now, breaking those fib levels, of course, or moving impulsively, for example, meaning that we are continuing an impulse for a wave 1, a correction wave 2, an impulse for wave 3 here, and then 4, and then impulse for your wave 5, meaning continuation of this contracting diagonal toward the downside. And of course, it might be playing in two scenarios. One that we have topped for here in bullish scenario, where you have A, B, and C as contracting diagonal. The second bearish scenario is that we have topped exactly here for a wave 5 for the cycle, and you're having a leading diagonal as wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 toward the downside. So basically, now the price decision still, of course, not given, not clear. We need, of course, to get out of this range here to know exactly what we're gonna have for the next days. So that was it for Bitcoin. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.